What you're watching right now isn't created with cameras or microphones. It's entirely made by AI in under 5 minutes. In this tutorial, you'll learn step by step exactly how you can easily create professional quality AI videos like this one. Let's get started.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel The Hype Trends, your one-stop solution for AI and digital marketing updates. Today we are diving deep into Synthesia.io, the powerful AI video creation tool.
Welcome to Synthesia, the #1 AI video platform for business. With just a few clicks, you can transform boring text into highly engaging training, sales, or marketing videos using high-quality AI avatars and voices. Try it out for free today.
Pretty cool, right? In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll cover literally everything from how to create your script, pick up AI avatars, video voiceovers, customize your videos, and even discuss Synthesia's limitations. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create professional videos using AI with zero filming or editing skills. So let's get started. So this is what you saw. Now see that you need no credit card for the practicing part or getting the free part. Yeah, so now we are all set. Now when we click on the free account and click get started, now here you need to put your email address. And let's create your first video. So this is the girl which you saw in the start of the video, and yeah, she is the avatar. Pretty cool, right? So let's create it. So this is the place where you need to put tell us what the video is all about. Either you can copy paste it or you can use GPT for solving this. And the second one is tell us about the audience, what is being shown, and you can also add a document if you want to like translate or make a video on it. I'll just hit the click create video and we're all set. So this is the interface which you will be landed when you will click on create video. It takes a little bit of time to load it, but it's great, as you know that Synthesia got a funding of $180 million at a valuation of $2 billion, right? So this tool is something, like legit, it is something, right? So you can see on the right side, it has started generating the script. Let's keep the length of the video to 30 seconds as we need to save the minutes, as the free version has 3 minutes, so we should be budget friendly. So now this point is important. We have the script right now and you have two options, generate video or continue in editor. Don't click on generate video, because if you click it, if the video is not that good, your minutes will be counted. So continue in editor. For there we can change the avatar, change the script, and also modify our video. We are all set then. Let's hit the continue editor button and let's wait till it gets done. It usually don't take much time, but we are on the free version, so it might take a bit of time. So meanwhile we can explore the page. Let's understand and explore through the paid version of Synthesia. Like I've entered the details and now we are at the paid version of Synthesia.io. As you can see the difference, you can see the latest updates in Synthesia.io at the forefront, as you can see it here. So here's a video analytics. Let's play this.
Ever wondered what happened to your video after publishing? Now you can track its performance right within Synthesia.
It was interesting, but we don't need to explore it much further because we need to understand the platform first. So here we see a lot of options, so let's get started one by one. We have homepage and then templates. So when we click on templates, we are able to see tons of templates available. You can see there are two types of layouts. One is the short format, which is a 9:16, and one is a long format, which is 16:9. So template is done, homepage is done. So let's now go to the video part. Whichever video you make, it comes under this section. Like when you generate a video, it comes in this page. I don't want to show you my previous history. So, and the trash part, which video you delete, comes in trash. So next we have library of assets. Library of assets means the things which we upload here. You can see the logo of the Hype Trends, our company. Next is avatars. Avatars, you have 3 options. So see, build an avatar like avatar builder, personal avatar, and studio avatar. Now let's shift to videos part. So next level, voice cloning. The thing is that we can make cloning of our own voice. Like we put a voice and we get the cloning.
Chair is set up properly. Make sure your feet are flat on the floor.
Yeah, what is written, you are just making it out. Like we put our own voice and it replicates it for whichever we want text to speech. So now let's explore the main features of Synthesia.io which are required for making the video. So first let's click on the new video option. Here you have to choose your template, whether in short format or long format video. Second one is you can use import function, like you can put a PowerPoint here and it will generate a whole video for that PowerPoint as per that. Next is video dubbing. Video dubbing is translation of your video, but that is for only premium members, like who pay a lot of money to them. This one, AI video assistant, is the main feature which you, me and everyone want to use it, and it's their like the top point for which they got this $150 million funding at a valuation of $2 billion. Yeah, woo. So let's explore this one. So AI video assistant, like it provides you 4 options. One is file, one is URL, prompt, and the script. In the file, you just need to upload your file, Word, PPT, TX file, and you're all set. And you can choose a template, which avatar you want, and you have to then just look at the avatar, whether you like it or not, or you can change the avatar, or you can also put 2 or 3 avatars in the same video. Next is the length. You choose the length of the video, keeping 30 seconds to make up my minutes. Consider the minutes. Then you put the objective for your video. It could be anything, like whatever you want. Then the audience who you are targeting, language will be English obviously, but there are a lot of languages which you can use. Next one is the speaker tone. Whether you want the speaker to be friendly, calm, or aggressive, it's only up to you. Next is the URL. And URL, like you just upload a URL of any website and it will make a video on it. And other features are same. For the prompt, it's the same as that. Put a prompt about, like, you can say cat running after a mouse. It will make a video on that. Right? Cool. In script, you put a script in detail form. Well, I will use ChatGPT for that. And let's keep the script same, like Tom and Jerry script, right? For the video part. So yeah, just get the script from here and just upload it here, and you're all set. Like. And now for that, this is our Hype Trends website. Like you will get here the most updated AI updates, blogs, and advanced AI tools also. But for that you need to do a one-time registration. Like this is a free registration. You just need to sign up with your email ID, and yeah, you're all set for it. So let's use this URL of our website, the hypetrends.com, for generating the video for Synthesia.io. How's that sound, right? You just need to put your email, like Manu Nagi, I don't want to tell you the further part of it, and done. Subscribe and you will get it done. Also, you get a 1 AI guide for free, which is really engaging. Just explore it out. So let's copy the URL and just paste it out here. It takes a small time to analyze it, but waiting is worth a mind. So now we're all set. So let's get further down to the objective part. Yeah, cream over the cake, and now we select the audience. Like it's AI enthusiasts, right? AI enthusiasts who want to make a change, in this world. So language in English, and the speaker tone, I'm using the predefined one because I want to cover the time up, right? So yeah, so create the outline. So now this will analyze the website. It might take a few minutes, but it's pretty quick. So yeah, it takes an overview, like it's 30 seconds, so it will take overview. But if you want to make a detailed video, then you can take a higher upper limit of minutes. So let I have clicked it. Yeah, so see this. The script is different. That was just the outline. So now our script is ready, our background images are ready, and our avatar is ready. So we have 2 options. First, to click generate video and this continue to editor. So one should never click on generate video instantly, because like there would be some spelling misplacing in the scene like that. So we should all continue in editor. So yeah, and after clicking, it will look something like this. Boom. Right, as I told you, like there might be, like you can see the marketing G is down, but that doesn't look good. I'll reset it, so don't worry. So this is the major mistake which people usually do and waste out their free minutes. So got it? Let's move further ahead. So let's explore what we can do here. I'll want to put my company's logo, so I'll just remove this part, go to media, go to library, and upload my logo. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. And now let's adjust this alphabets, make it bold. We can say this sign, underline, bold, I think, but I think looks good. Next we go to the music part. We have a good library. We can choose any background music we like. First, let's play it.
Imagine a world where marketing strategies are crafted by intelligent algorithms. AI isn't just a trend, it's revolutionizing digital marketing.
I know you have a question that why the face is not moving. So the thing is, when we click the generate button, then only the avatar will move his face just like we are speaking. So it's a feature is there. And there's one more thing, that the images which you will see, there might be written like Pixel AI, their logo of the company for which it, but it all will get removed when we generate it. So don't worry about that. And now let's modify this page. Yeah, we can change the font style, we can change and yeah, we are all set then. Let's get to the next and the final slide. Here we will change the logo again. Go to media, go to library, and just drag and drop. Pretty simple. I don't want this text, let's remove this. Follow the hype trends. Yeah, follow it guys if you haven't done it yet, otherwise you will be left behind and regret it later. We can further edit it, like you can edit like this. And one more thing, other than this, you can also edit the script, like whichever you will type here, the avatar will be speaking that only. See, whatever you write, it makes a speech out of it, so it's a pretty good feature. Also about the avatar, you can change how the avatar appears. We can also upload it here. Now let's change for the starting part. Starting I like this one. Yeah, the captions, the big thing, the big boy is there, right? So with captions, the things will be way next level. So we have a lot of features like which type of captions we like. I don't think the background only look good. Let's test one by one which one look nice. I like this one. Okay, so the thing is, at each slide we need to go and update the captions, and these things working this way. These were really looking good, right? So let's move ahead, adjust the last page so that we can wind up this video. When you'll be making it, using it, the link is in the description. If I didn't mention it, the link to the Synthesia IO is in the description. You can check it out there. You will also find a good discount through our link in the description, so don't miss it. Now I think it is looking good. See how we started from raw, nothing, and now the video is so much engaging.
AI is the future of marketing, so you need to subscribe on the website, embrace it, or risk being left behind. Together, let's future-proof your marketing plan. Follow the hype trends and leverage the free AI guide which we will provide you. Got it!
See, exclamatory mark has a reaction on this avatar. You can use it, like I have put 2 exclamatory marks, so yeah, it's so interesting. So now we just need to hit that generate button. Everything is done, follow the hype trends, and all the things were told to you. So yeah, in this way the generation works out. Give it 10 stars. Synthesia is pretty good. Check out in the description, and it is pretty cool. Now come down to pricing. Pricing is really important because you need to pay for that, right? So let's see. There are 4 models. One is free, one is starter, one is creator, and one is the enterprise. So better get started. The link is in the description for Synthesia.io, which is a special link from us. You should just click on it and you can explore what features you see by clicking through our link and going down by yourself. So check that out also. And so we're done with the video. I hope you like this tutorial. Do subscribe to the channel for more such content.
AI is transforming the future of marketing. Embrace it now or risk falling behind. Subscribe to our website and follow the hype trends to future-proof your marketing strategy. Don't forget to grab your free AI guide. We've got your back. See you next time.